everyone, welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can speak this language or improve this language just in 1 month. Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. You can improve this language just in 1 month also. But coming to fluency, it may take time. But my friend, at least think about little bit improvement, right? If you can bring little bit improvement in your speaking, that is also good, right? Doing nothing is far better than doing something. So we have to keep this thing in our mind and start speaking whatever comes in our mind. And we have to try it just 1 month and then see whether our English is improving or not. And I assure you, your English will improve. So before I start sharing with you how you can improve your English just in 1 month, I want to share with you some other information also. Today I thought to record my video from my home, but there is one reason I couldn't record my video. People once again they started playing music very loudly. That is why I had to come here. And here I found peace and I started recording. And if you have already watched my video, then you might be remembering also that one day from that place I had recorded my video along with my dog. But today he didn't come, no problem. So yeah. And another thing also I want to share with you. The person who always talk about problem and trouble. See, today it's very sunny. You might be able to see this shadow also. I'm not able to see very properly my mobile camera. However, I'm recording because it's my duty. It's my work, to record my video, to post my video. So we don't have to give the lame excuses, right? So if I think like that okay, there is no proper place to record my video, noise is there, other than that one, it's very sunny, I can't record my video, then how could I record my video? I could not, right? So in your case also, when it comes to speaking this language, my friend, don't make lame excuses. Start speaking, and your own mind, which now is creating so many trouble and saying you that you are not good enough, saying that you can't do it, saying that your grammar is not good enough, people will laugh at you. The same mind will start helping you, my friend. And how and when? If you take the first step, then your mind will start helping you. But if you don't take, then your same mind will mock at you, and it will, tell you that yeah, you are not capable enough, don't try. But my friend, don't think like that, okay? Once you start, your same mind will start pushing you forward and you will start learning things and improving, okay? So I want to give the example of this pond also. But before I give the example, I want to show you the area of my village. It's the area. See, there is pond, trees, river, everything is there in my village. As I had already mentioned in one of my videos that I'm really privileged enough. We have everything in my village, okay? That is why I'm privileged enough, I would say. So, yeah. So, if I take the example of this pond, if I tell you, go into the water, you will go. First of all, you will think so much. The water is muddy, how can I go? But once you go, and if I tell you that if you go across the pond, then you will be rewarded. Then my friend, once you entered, then you will not come back. You will not come back here because your same mind will not let you come back, here. Your same mind will compel you go ahead, go and win, go across the pond and become the winner, But if you don't take the first step, don't enter into this water, then how can you go? If you think so much, the water is muddy, it's very dirty, very filthy like that, so you can't, you will be not able to go across the pond and you will be not able to become the winner also. So the same scenario is in our speaking English also. As long as we are not going to start, we are not going to become a fluent speaker. So start speaking whatever is needed for speaking any language, or this language especially, if you are learning this language, I would say. So whatever is needed, try to do that one. If you feel your grammar is not okay, start learning. One day you will feel that it's very hard to learn and I'm not able to apply in my speaking, my friend, in one day you can't, but if you keep doing, one day definitely you can. Okay, so this is the one thing. Other thing, that as I told you, our mind is very powerful, okay, and it works negative and positive with equality. So we have to train our mind how to think positive. I've seen many people, they are able to speak English, but the thing is that their fear of judgment, fear of speaking, fear of what other people will think about me if I make mistake and all, so many things. How could they become winner? How could they learn this language if they keep thinking, if they overthink? That is why stop overthinking and start speaking as soon as possible. Okay, see, if I take the example of mine, in my beginning day I wasn't able to speak even a single sentence without making mistakes, but now you would find mistakes, but hardly in my speaking. Okay, and I know that in future I will fix them also. How? By working hard, by practicing every single day. Now if I tell you, now also I practice, I do hard work, I try to put effort so that I can improve my English. So my friend, if you are a beginner, अगर आप एक beginner हैं तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? आप जो भी टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश है उसको बोलना शुरू करिए. Just like, if you are greeting, namaste and all, so it's okay, but start saying deliberately, hi, hello, how are you doing, where are you going, what's you need, what do you want to have, like that, and would you give me a cup of tea, like that, so add these kinds of sentences, my friend, and then you will see the improvement. You will see that you are getting fluency, you are becoming able to speak this language. See, as I told you, if you are going to make excuses, a lot of excuses are there, but if you are going to make the way, you will be able to make the way. As I gave the example, see, this is sunny day, very sunny day. It seems that my face, my skin will burn. However, I'm recording my video because it's my duty, as I told you. In your case also, it's, take this work as a duty, that if I don't learn, then how would be my future? I think why you are learning this language, you know the reason also, right? This language is going to help you in so many ways, right? How to get job, how to, understand the entire world also. Because if we want to understand someone, we have to understand their language, right? So if you understand English, because as we know that it's a global language, so we will understand the entire world also, that what people are doing and what they think, about any specific topic. We'll get a lot of idea. That is why we should try to learn. So first of all, try to find that why you are trying to learn this language. After that, try to be persistent and be dedicated, be focused. You will learn this language. But as I gave you the example of going across the pond, how it could be possible unless you get into the water. You have to get into the water. Afterward, your same mind will compel you go across the pond, and then you will become winner. But this place, like standing this place, like this place, you are thinking so much, this water is filthy, this water is dirty, I may get sick, and I may, drown in this water. So many things you are thinking. Then how could you become a winner? You can't become a winner, my friend. So a lot of things are there. We can take example of them, right? So if I take the example of plant also, when we show the seed, then it is sprout, and after that it becomes a small plant, and then after that gigantic tree also. So we have to sow the seed. The seed you have, sown, in your mind that I want to become a fluent speaker. This is the seed. Now you have to just give the water. Giving water means practicing. Practice every single day. Whatever is not clear, try to do. If tenses are not clear, go and learn tenses. If you feel that you don't know how to read and how to, you don't know how to read properly, then go and try. If you don't know then how to speak, then go and try, my friend. Don't think a lot, otherwise you are going to waste your time. Don't waste your time, okay? So if anyone wants to do anything, they have to start. And I can understand the first step is the terrible step. We get fear, we think that how could I do? We overthink, okay? In any case, not only in learning this language, right? So I can understand your situation and very much correlate with mine one also. When I was a beginner, I had the same problem, but now I don't have. And how did I overcome up that problem? By practicing, by facing my fear. If you don't confront your fear, my friend, one day you will be laden with your fear and you won't be able to see the progress in your life in any field, not only learning this language but in any areas. I would say it is in our mind. I think if we can control our mind properly and we are just thinking positive, we can do. I've seen many people, they doubt on their self. However, they are a fluent speaker already. Not fluent, they are able to speak. I would say that better than beginner. But in their mind, doubt is there. Am I speaking right, wrong? What is my level? Like that. So what is this? It's their, confusion. It's their doubt. But if they kill their doubt, and how it is possible? Can they pick up their doubt and fear from their mind? I think no. The doubt, fear, and the fear of judgment, anything, it can be killed. How? By taking action. So if you are a language learner, then your duty is, or your action is, I would say that speaking, practicing, reading, writing, whatever is needed, do that one. And here is one thing also I want to add, my friend. Recording yourself. If not video recording, just like the way I'm recording my video, then record your voice. You won't believe, when I was a beginner, I wasn't able to send voice messages to my friends also. Then what we decided, let's try to send, voice messages so that we can improve our English. We could find our mistakes where we were making mistakes. To be honest, that was firstly very, very difficult. Now, I prefer to send voice messages rather than writing. Because hardest thing also can become easiest thing. How? By doing work on that one, by taking action, So, now it seems that learning English is rocket science, but one day it will be very easy. It will be piece of cake. Should I say piece of cake? No, I think it is also not going to be that much easy, but yeah, it will be easy. So my friend, keep in your mind, just start speaking, start explaining the things, whatever comes in your mind. Don't think so much whether you are making mistake or not. By making mistake, you will see the progress in yourself, my friend. But without making mistake, you can't, So do these kinds of things and you will see that you will be able to speak. See, the example which I gave you, the pond related example, same thing. If you spend, 1 day, 2 day, 1 week, then after spending 2 weeks, your same mind will tell you that I have already spent 2 weeks. Now it's not good to go back. It's better to go ahead. Your same mind will compel you and you will see the progress also. So use your mind in proper way and become a fluent speaker and do whatever you want to do in your life. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.